Welcome to She News. Today, we are going to explore an important topic for all those planning to travel abroad: 12 countries where you can drive with an Indian driving license. Yes, you heard it right. Your Indian driving license can be valid in several countries, allowing you to hit the road with minimal fuss. Let's dive into the details and talk about each of these 12 countries, how long you can drive there, and whether you need an international driving permit or IDP. 1. United States. The US is one of the top destinations for Indian travelers, and the good news is that you can drive in many states with an Indian driving license. However, the duration and requirements vary from state to state. Duration, generally up to 1 year. IDP required, yes, in many states. An international driving permit, IDP, is recommended, especially if your license is not in English. Even though some states don't explicitly require an IDP, it's useful to have one just in case authorities ask for further verification. States like California and Texas may allow you to drive on your Indian license for a limited period, but always check state-specific regulations before you get behind the wheel. 2. United Kingdom. Driving in the UK with your Indian driving license is straightforward for up to a year. Whether you're planning to explore the countryside or navigate the bustling streets of London, your Indian license will be valid during your visit. Duration, up to 1 year. IDP required, not mandatory, but recommended. Although the IDP is not mandatory, having one can come in handy in case of any interactions with law enforcement or car rental services. This applies especially if your license is not in English. 3. Australia. Australia is another country where the rules for driving on an Indian license vary by region. While some states are more lenient, others have specific requirements. Duration, generally up to 3 months. IDP required, yes. If your Indian license is not in English, an IDP is mandatory in most Australian states. For states like New South Wales and Victoria, both your Indian license and IDP are required. Make sure you confirm the requirements in the state you're visiting before renting or driving a vehicle. 4. Canada. Canada, like the US and Australia, has different rules in its various provinces. While some provinces are flexible, others require additional documentation. Duration varies by province, generally 3 to 6 months. IDP required, yes, in some provinces. In provinces such as Quebec and Alberta, you may need an IDP if your Indian license is not in English or French. For others like Ontario, the rules can be more relaxed. Always check the specific regulations in the province you're visiting. 5. Germany. Germany is known for its efficient highways, and your Indian driving license will allow you to drive there, but with some restrictions. Duration, up to 6 months. IDP required, yes. An IDP is mandatory to drive in Germany, especially if your license is not in German or English. Germany's roads are well maintained, and its autobahn is famous for having no general speed limit, making driving there an exciting experience for travelers. 6. France. Dreaming of driving through the picturesque French countryside? With an Indian license, it's possible to do so for up to a year. Duration, up to 1 year. IDP required, yes. To drive legally in France, an IDP is required in addition to your Indian driving license. This is especially crucial if you plan to rent a car, as most rental agencies will ask for it. 7. Switzerland. Switzerland, known for its scenic mountain roads, is a popular destination for Indian tourists. The good news is you can drive there with an Indian license for up to a year. Duration, up to 1 year. IDP required, yes. An IDP is highly recommended for driving in Switzerland, particularly if your license is not in English, French, German, or Italian. It's a great way to explore the beautiful Swiss Alps and lakes at your own pace. 8. New Zealand. If you're heading to New Zealand, you'll be pleased to know that your Indian driving license can be used for a full year. Duration, up to 1 year. IDP required, yes. An IDP is necessary if your Indian license is not in English, and it's a good idea to carry one even if your trip is short. Driving in New Zealand is a great way to see the country's stunning landscapes, from rolling green hills to volcanic regions. 9. South Africa. South Africa is a country where you can drive with your Indian license, especially if it's in English. Duration, up to 1 year. IDP required, not mandatory if the license is in English. If your Indian license is in English, you won't need an IDP. However, if it's in a different language, having an IDP is essential. South Africa's diverse terrain offers great road trips, from safaris to coastal drives along the Garden Route. 10. Spain. Spain, famous for its sunny beaches and historic cities, allows you to drive with an Indian license for a limited period. Duration, up to 6 months. IDP required, yes. An IDP is mandatory for driving in Spain with an Indian license. Whether you're exploring Barcelona's vibrant streets or the serene beauty of the Spanish countryside, having the right documents is important to ensure a hassle-free trip. 11. Italy. Italy is another European destination where you can drive with your Indian license, but only if you have the right paperwork. Duration, up to 1 year. IDP required, yes. An IDP is required to drive in Italy with an Indian license. This is especially crucial if you plan to explore Italy's charming countryside or navigate the bustling streets of cities like Rome and Milan. 12. Singapore. Singapore allows you to drive with your Indian license for up to 12 months, provided you have an IDP. Duration, up to 12 months. IDP required, yes. If your Indian license is not in English, an IDP is necessary for driving in Singapore. Make sure to carry both documents with you to avoid any legal issues. These are the 12 countries where you can drive with an Indian driving license. It's always a good idea to check the specific requirements of the country or region you're visiting, as they may change periodically. An international driving permit is usually a helpful document to carry, even if it's not mandatory. Not only does it translate your license into multiple languages, but it also helps avoid misunderstandings with local authorities. So, whether you're planning a road trip across the US, exploring the Alps in Switzerland, or navigating the bustling streets of Singapore, you can do it with your Indian license. Happy driving! And don't forget to follow the traffic rules of the country you're visiting. Thank you for watching She News. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. We'll see you in the next video.
She News channel where the stories come alive. Empowering voices where the truth thrives. From the boardroom to the street, every woman's feet. We're breaking barriers every day, week by week. From politics to fashion, health to aspiration. We're here to inform, inspire, and spark conversation. She knew, she knew, she knew. Your voice, your view, we're telling the world what women can do. Strong and fearless, bold and true. She knew, she knew, she knew, she knew. It's all about you. From sunrise to sunset, the stories we unfold. Heritage and future tales untold. Women on a mission making history. Every Every headline a step toward equality. From local to global, every single angle. We're shining a light no matter the tangle. She knew, she knew, she knew. Your voice, your view, we're telling the world what women can do. Strong and fearless, bold and true. She knew, she knew, she knew, she knew. It's all about you. Every story shared, every truth declared. We stand together for a world that's fair. Women rising up in every field and place. With She News Channel, we're changing the face. She knew, she knew. Your voice, your view, we're telling the world what women can do. Strong and fearless, bold and true. She knew, she knew, she knew, she knew. It's all about you. She News Channel, the future's bright.